going to drizzle it with some vegetable oil liberally. I'm going to turn the burner on medium high, and I am going to put my onions and potatoes in there. I got this chopped cabbage. And then I'm going to be adding some chopped kielbasa. So this will cook probably about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes on medium high. I'll add a little bit more vegetable oil. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. So we've got our one skillet meal on. I'm going to bake that, sorry, not bake. I am going to cook this approximately 20 to 30 minutes, probably closer to 30. The potatoes have to soften, the cabbage has to cook down, the onions have to soften, and the sausage has to brown. But it's going to shrink down a lot. This looks like a lot, but it will shrink down a whole lot. This is a really hearty meal. I'm going to make a pone of cornbread, or a little skillet of cornbread. We call it a pone where I live in eastern Kentucky. And open up a can of cream style corn. And I think I'm going to call and see if my grandbabies and son and daughter want to come eat with us, because this is something I think they'll love. And it's too much for just my husband and I. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when we get it all ready. And I hope you'll come back and watch us try it, because it's going to be yummy. Thank you for watching. I thought I'd just go ahead and show you all how I make my cornbread while I'm on here. I've got a whole cake video that I'll leave the link to that in the description box as well. But for my cornbread, I do about 2 cups of cornmeal. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed it. 1 egg. Lots of people do it differently. Whole buttermilk into moist. I know y'all hate that word, but it's a word. Messy cook alert. Yeah, messy cook alert. Alright, and now I'm going to get out my iron skillet and put it in there. This is my iron skillet. I just poured a little bit of vegetable oil in it, and I let it get really hot as the oven preheats. Then I will put it in the oven on 450 for approximately 20 minutes. And it will be ready and oh so delicious. All right, meet you back here in a minute. See how this is going. A little can of cream style corn. My grandbaby loves it. It'll be really good with this. All right, here's our one skillet meal. Our fried potatoes have cooked down, and our cabbage, and our onions, and our kielbasa is all got yummy. And then I've got some cream style corn back here for my grandbaby, and I'm getting ready to get our cornbread out of the oven, and we're going to eat, guys. And this meal is amazing. So I hope you'll try it. It's something quick but very filling, and sometimes you just need something that'll stick to your bones. Thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any of my new videos. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and if this is your first time here, I thank you for stopping by. I thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. God bless you, and you all have a great day. I had to jump back on here and show you all this glorious cornbread. Can cornbread be glorious? Look at that. You know, I just think this meal is going to make me feel better.